Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So now guys, in England they say all the gear, no idea. So guys, I remember a joke that used to make the rounds back in the day when I was a lot younger on the streets of Lagos. So it's about this Igbo man who went and bought a car. So someone then asked him what car he bought, and the Igbo man said Pathfinder. So the person asking then laughed and said, "It is not Pathfinder, it is Pathfinder." And the Igbo man retorted, "You know how to pronounce it, I know how to buy it." Guys, I bring you this. My husband looked like a farmer when I first met him. And this is Regina Daniels saying this. So it is the billionaire Ned Nwoko, of course, that she's talking about. So this guy can have all of the billions he likes in the bank, but if he's from the village, then he's from the village, and that village boy mindset is already ingrained in him. So this girl now had to repolish him. So again, the headline: my husband looked like a farmer when I first met him, Regina Daniels. So now let's now see now how this young girl rebranded this gentleman. Regina Daniels says her 60-year-old billionaire husband Ned Nwoko looked like a farmer when she first met with him. The couple got married in April 2019. The actress, who welcomed their first child together on June 29 this year, disclosed this in an interview. Regina said she met her husband for the first time when she and some others went on a tour of his house in the village. "The first impression I had when I met him, which I will keep saying, is that he looked like a farmer. We actually went on a tour of his house in the village, Onyocha North Local Government Area, Delta State. And he was so polite and educative. He wants me to know about nature and the world in general. He wants one to experience different things. So he was always trying to educate us on that particular visit." The actress said her husband is always pushing her to be a better person. "Being married to him, Ned Nwoko, I feel free. I can do whatever I want, dress however I like, and live my life. He is always pushing me to be a better person. He brings me out there because he wants me to be more exposed. He wants me to see the world in a different way. As a matter of fact, there are so many things I just can't start to explain." So here is now this girl now saying how she had to repolish this guy. So I started off with the Pathfinder, and the classic example, of course, of an Igbo man Pathfinder is this Ned Nwoko. All the billions in the bank, but he will go and buy yellow shoes, wear it on the top of our red trousers and green shirt, and tell you that he spent a lot of money on it. So it is not the spending a lot of money on it. Of course, that is the point, as has been explained to him now by this young lady. So she has touched him up, spruced him up, stripped him bare, and reworked him entirely. So now this is now the version now that she's now presenting to the world, and you can see in the photograph now what she's now claiming handiwork to be. So yes, red on red, and they're both smiling. They look like a happy couple. I'm not one that will label the age difference between these two people. This look like a happy couple to me. So good luck to them. They have a new child, and that should keep them busy, but I'm sure they have plenty enough nannies to make sure that everything is properly insulated. Farmer boy is Ned Nwoko's beginnings, according to his own wife, Regina Daniels. What says you? A light-hearted one, a deviation from our usual political diet. So come share thoughts about all this with me in the comment section. But before you do that, click on the red subscribe button so it's on screen. The bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then click on like as well, because that helps with the YouTube algorithm. So now come tell me thoughts about what you are making of this thing, from farmer boy to Ajebota, all the handiwork of Regina Daniels. So I'll leave you here, carry this conversation on with you in the comment section, but here I say peace.